Las preposiciones. Unidad 1, lección 2. Meta. Vamos a repasar y mejorar el uso de las preposiciones con verbos. Después vamos a usar preposiciones para describir personas y cosas en el trabajo. In Spanish, you may not necessarily use the corresponding preposition in English. You must learn each expression along with its preposition. Some expressions with a. Acostumbrarse a. To get used to. Atreverse a. To dare to. Ayudar a. To help. Negarse a. To refuse to. Remember to use a personal when the direct object of a verb is a person. Voy a ayudar a la jefa a archivar los documentos. Some expressions with en. Confiar en. To trust. Consistir en. To consist of. Fijarse en. To notice. Pensar en. To think about. Some expressions with con. Bastar con. To be enough to. Casarse con. To marry. Contar con. To count on. Encontrarse con. To meet up with. Soñar con. To dream of or to dream about. Some expressions with de. Acabar de plus infinitive. To have just done something. Acordarse de. To remember to. Alegrarse de. To be glad about. Darse cuenta de. To realize. Encargarse de. To take charge or care of. Enterarse de. To find out about. Terminar de. To finish. Tratar de. To try.